जम्मू आ गए, दिल्ली आ गए, अलग अलग जगह पे आ गए, और अगर सरकार उनको कहेगी कि फिर से हम
मेरी बात समझ गए? क्या सबके साथ मर्डर हो जाता है? क्या सारी बहुएं जला के मार दी जाती?
Hello student, this is an important video. The topic is related to the effect of procedural mistake. So we are just discussing about whether procedural irregularity can defeat justice or not, especially when we talk about the substantial right. So the answer is no, because the procedural irregularity is not going to affect your substantial right. Now the question comes, student, what is the meaning of procedural rights and what is the meaning of substantial right? We know that substantial rights are those rights which are specially provided under any statute, which gives you some rights as per law. Ubi jus, ibi remedium. When we talk about procedural rights, it means we are discussing with the procedural mistakes during the court of law, procedural laws like law of limitations and other laws. There is a question, just suppose if there is a mistake on procedural laws, so what will be the effect of its procedural laws? It is going to affect, of course, that it is procedural right. So is it possible that procedural rights के wrongly decision से या determination से क्या justice effect होता है या नहीं होता है? So this is the point. We have plethora of judgment Supreme Court जहाँ पर time to time Supreme Court कहता रहा है कि even if there are some flaws related to the procedural mistake, but we need to decide or ascertain the substantial right, because we need to focus on the substantial right, because procedural laws are simply the handmaid for the justice. Now in this judgment, which is the judgment, because I'm referring here a particular judgment of the 2024, and in this judgment, which is Joginder Singh through LRs versus Virendrajit Singh Gill through LRs 2024. In this judgment, the court has very clearly said that even if the party who is claiming the substantial right, has been because of some mistake means to say, like we can say the negligence and other things, cannot be denied the enjoyment of the right because some mistake matlab procedural mistakes, negligence or inadvertence or even infraction of filing suit or maintaining that matter has been done wrongly. ठीक है, तो जो प्रोसीजर है, जो भी लॉ प्रोसीजर्स है, अगर हम सीपीसी की बात करें, सिविल प्रोसीजर कोड, लॉ ऑफ लिमिटेशंस की बात करें, ये जितने भी प्रोसीजरल लॉज हैं, अगर उनसे रिलेटेड कुछ पर्टिकुलर रूल्स को हमने फॉलो नहीं करा या बाई मिस्टेक या बाई नेग्लिजेंस वी आर फेल टू इन्वोक दीज पर्टिकुलर प्रोविजंस और आपके फेवर में सब्सटेंशियल राइट प्रिवेल करेंगे, अगर ये मिस्टेक ना होता तो वहाँ सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा द जजेस शुड फेवर दो सब्सटेंशियल राइट टू बी प्रोटेक्टेड. The court should not haphazardly just focus on that you have not followed the procedural rules, because justice is very important. And what is the justice? Justice is simply the justice related to your substantial right. So in conclude, we can say that whenever the judges are going to decide any matter, they should firstly focus on the substantial right of the parties, even if there is some kind of flaws related to the procedural laws. If they are not inconsistent, if they are not adversely affecting the rights of the parties, then we can continue with it. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching this video.
Subscribe for more content.